I'm Roxane George, Chancellor Acting of the Judiciary of Guyana. I started my legal career as a state counsel at the Chambers of the Director of Public Prosecutions in 1990. I ended my sojourn at that Chambers as Acting Director of Public Prosecutions before becoming a High Court judge in 2005. I was appointed Acting Chief Justice in 2017 and Acting Chancellor in August of 2025. Women, of course, make up about 50% of the population of the world, and it is therefore critical that women are represented in the judiciaries of their countries. In Guyana, 60% of our judicial officers are women. Women judicial officers have made an immense contribution to the administration of justice, of course, in Guyana, regionally and internationally. We bring to the table, to the fore, a very gendered perspective, a more gendered perspective, one that has allowed for greater focus on gender-based violence, on family matters, which we know disproportionately affect women or involve women, or concern women. Women's representation in the judiciary ensures that there is representation of women's concerns. And such representation also sends a very, very strong message that access to justice is for everyone, regardless of their sex or gender. Well, the partnership between the Judiciary of Guyana and the PACE project has been very beneficial, very positive. Flowing from the collaboration has been capacity building, specifically in relation to restorative justice and addressing cases where children have come into conflict with the law. The digitization of our court systems for the benefit of the public and the emerging use of AI in legal research and writing, these have also been dealt with in depth. Another important aspect has been case management. There's been a lot of training on case management so that we as judicial officers can better manage the caseloads that come before us in our courts. And in this regard, there will be further training in relation to the conduct of criminal trials and the hearing of criminal appeals. In addition, we will engage in a deep dive into sentencing guidelines or criminal procedure rules, which will really revolutionize how our criminal justice system will operate in the courts. And of course, in tandem with capacity building, human resource capacity building, we must have adequate infrastructure, so to speak, to support the work of judicial officers. And in this regard, the PACE project has provided us with equipment, recording equipment that will be placed in 8 additional courts. And of course, there will be further rollout of the provision of internet service, especially in our interior courts. All of this with a view to ensure that the publics that we serve have access to justice. I would like to say to women and girls, you have the power within you to always do your best, to aim for excellence in all that you do. I urge women and girls to be bold, to be assertive. Importantly for me, to command respect. And I also strongly urge and encourage them to advocate for gender equality and a life that is free from fear, violence, and discrimination. Happy International Women's Day.